Hey everyone, what's up? Mrs. Canary Island Quail here to bring you the next episode of Canary Island Quail Presents What's That Trivia? This, of course, is our TV playlist. We will bring you new trivia videos weekdays based on movies, TV, and gaming, just to name a few. In the lower left-hand corner, you can see that the TV theme for today's trivia questions is Friends. So without further ado, let's put 20 seconds on the clock and get today's episode started. Question 1. In the pilot episode of Friends, what is Rachel wearing in her first appearance? Is it A, a Ralph Lauren pantsuit, B, a wedding dress, C, scuba gear, or D, nothing? The answer is B, a wedding dress. Question 2. Where does Rachel first get a job after moving to New York City? Is it A, Bloomingdale's, B, Ralph Lauren, C, Central Perk, or D, McLaren's Pub? The answer is C, Central Perk. Question 3. What is Monica obsessed with? Is it A, cleaning, B, Christmas, C, sandwiches, or D, dinosaurs? The answer is A, cleaning. Question 4. Which of the 6 friends is the last to find out that Monica and Chandler are in love? Is it A, Ross, B, Rachel, C, Joey, or D, Phoebe? The answer is A, Ross. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, blank. Is it A, you are so smelly, B, purr, C, it's not your fault, or D, you need a bath? The answer is C, it's not your fault. Question 6. According to Phoebe, what animal falls in love and mates for life? Is it A, seahorses, B, lobsters, C, dolphins, or D, crabs? The answer is B, lobsters. Question 7. What is Joey's favorite type of sandwich? Is it A, Italian, B, peanut butter and jelly, C, ham and cheese, or D, a meatball sub? The answer is D, a meatball sub. Question 8. Where did Ross get married for the second time? Is it A, London, B, Las Vegas, C, New York City, or D, Florida? The answer is A, London. Question 9. Why did Joey and Chandler swap apartments with Monica and Rachel? Is it A, the guys wanted a man cave, B, Joey bought it from Monica, C, the girls lost a bet, or D, the girls thought it was haunted? The answer is C, the girls lost a bet. Question 10. When the Santa costume was unavailable for Christmas, who does Ross dress up as to teach Ben about Hanukkah? Is it A, Mrs. Claus, B, Superman, C, Barney the dinosaur, or D, the holiday armadillo? The answer is D, the holiday armadillo. Well, that's it for today's What's That Trivia TV episode. If you enjoyed today's trivia questions, please like, share, and subscribe. If you would like us to ask trivia questions based on your favorite TV show, please let us know in the comments below. We would also like to know how well everyone did. Thanks, everyone!